Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update and day trade recap for April 23, 2020. So far, as you can see on the bigger time frame, the market be able to break a upper trend line support here. So whoever in the bear camp, they jump in and then they believe that the market will go down here. So everybody try to short it on the way down, but seems like the market it didn't want to go down. Right now, they try to hang in here. They just go sideways. So they didn't tell you they really want to come down or they want to go higher. But in the short term, at the day trader, we can see clearly this morning after the market it opened and overnight they try to push it back up. And in the morning, a lot of people try to short the market because they think that the move here is over. So they put a lot of stop loss here. The institution they come in, it's like a bus without a brake. They hit the motorcycle, boom, right into the top. They wipe them out, and after they wipe them out, they'll be able to uh, fix their brake, and the bus stop, and then they turn around and try to re-access to see what the damage, and then the mayor coming in and puts it right back down. So now they come back down. So this morning in our live trading room, I wrote a box for our members so we know exactly where they get there. They go right to the tick. So they go right to the box here. They hit a downtrend like support, and then they give up at that moment, and then they turn to the south. So now they come back here and then they hold up here. So you want to see what they're going to do next. They hold back here, they put back up, they come back down a little bit. But I know a lot of bear guy out there, they try to think in the market, they go down here. Okay, so they just sit there and then see the market keep going up and then they wonder why. And at the moment they cannot survive, they sell, they cover their short and then the market it may go higher. So let's see where they go. And so let's go down to the shorter time frame for the day trade today. I just want to show you. So when the market in the morning, yesterday they get stuck here at the resistance line, and by the time in the morning when the market open, they be able to break out, and then they widen them out. A lot of people put the stop loss here. Institution come in, they take away their stop loss, and they say thank you, and then they put back up right into the resistance right here, and then they give up right there. So after that, the market is coming down. Okay, and then they break a upper trend line support. So the short term, we see the market is in the correction again. So before that, so we scaled out to smaller time frames. So this morning, we were in our trading room. They hit it here, so we know that the first level of resistance. So for the member, they jump in. Okay, they get the first shot, they pull back down, and then they test the support here. Okay, on this side, and then they hold it up, and now this one will become a resistance, now become a support. After the hold up, they break out, I jump in, take another trade. Okay, that's one. And after that, they go here, they make it low, high, low, low, take another trade. And then the market it come right back down. This one they go fast, in 5 minutes they can go right here, nobody see it by the time you wake up, and then everything it just to the bottom. But when they hit here, they get to the major buy zone right here. So they hold up the first time, they hold up the second time. So when they break up, take another trade, and you're done for the day. So the total net profit for today is 2,460 for April 23rd. That's not bad for a day, couple hour trade. So if you want to make a quick income, that's what you have to do every day. And right now, talking about one index, very interesting that a lot of people talk about, that the oil. If you look at oil here, if you watch out my pivot YouTube, and then you can see that the oil they move in the three-way, way one, way two, way three. When it hit here, I already draw the blue box. This is the buy zone. If you watch it, my pivot video, you can see that after they hit this one, where they go, they have to bow back up. So as you can see here, so they go put back up, they hold here, and now they continue to make high lows on the way up. So let's see how far they can go. Because if you look at the news out there, a lot of worse news that you can hear about the oil, they will deliver it to your house for free. Okay, but that's not the case. Now they try to buy back up, and at least they will test this one here first, and then see where they go. So since the oil the crude oil future is going up. They lift up a lot of oil stock. So that if you look at a lot of strong oil stock, they try to find a way back up. You can see here, a bunch of them try to bottom out and go back up. You can see here. Okay, so that's why it's a lot of oil stock. They try to get out and try to find a way to pump it up. So that's what we have for you today. So this is what we do in every day in our live trading room, in our trading community, because we help people to understand how to read the chart. Because that, nothing else. If you know how to read the chart, you can see clearly, okay, exactly where the market go, and so you don't have to worry. Rather than sit there and look to the TV, look to CNBC, and look at the news, all you hear is just anything that delay, anything that already happened in the past. You want to see is something real, something what happened now. That's exactly what you need to do. In order to do that, you have to learn how to read the chart, how to understand how the market move. Because if you understand that, and you can take a trade, you can build your portfolio for your financial, so that you can take care your stock, your 401k. You know when to buy, when to sell, when to get out, because the market, it will tell you ahead before anything happens. So if you would like to learn more, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. If you like what I'm doing here for you every day, please click the button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new post, I will let you know. And if you like it, give me a thumb up, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Stay home and stay healthy.